Next, we'll cover table settings. Click to choose from multiple font types. Text updates instantly. The number on the right adjusts the font size. Select a color. Confirm with OK. And bold, italic, underline, alignment, fill color, border thickness, border color, and border style. Next, we'll cover the text box. Click Insert Text Box and place it on the report. Enter text values. Link to thermal image. Insert a thermal image first. Select the text box. In the right panel, link to the thermal image. Click File and insert thermal values to insert. File name, report date, file size, emissivity, humidity, reflected temperature, optical transmittance, and so on. And link to analysis objects. Once linked, you can insert corresponding values associated with the analysis object. Next, let's explore insert shapes. A total of 8 shape types are available: text shape, rectangle, circle, callout, triangle, line, arrow, and pointer arrow. Click Text Shape. Input text inside the frame. Rectangle. It can be scaled and adjusted. Supports text input at the center. Circle. It also supports scaling and text input operations, just like the rectangle shape. Callout. Triangle. Line. Click endpoints. Click, hold, and drag to adjust length/angle. Arrow. Adjust direction/length by dragging endpoints. Pointer arrow. Add text at the center. Freely stretch/rotate.